Hello friends, today I'm going to replace all my wipers. So the 24-inch wiper is for your driver's side. It's a simple process. I would be walking you through the entire journey, and then your 18-inch goes on the passenger side, and last we have the 14-inch which will go on the rear side. I also want to highlight that for Mazda you also get the replacement refills for the wipers, so you do not need to change entire blade. Now from a process standpoint, you need to identify this push button on your wiper arm. Just bring the wiper blade away from the arm and try pushing this button. It just slides out the wiper blade and you can just replace it with another wiper blade. Now don't forget to keep a cloth on your windshield, because for any reason if the wiper arm falls on your windshield, it can crack it. So I'm trying to now push the button and see, this brings out your wiper blade. Make a note of the alphabet on the blade. The attachment type is K. Okay, so that is very important. Whichever replacement you bring should have the same attachment type K, and just slightly slide it and insert it. Once you hear the click, you are good to go. For the 18-inch, again you bring up the wiper arm and slide the wiper blade. So I'm trying to open the box with one hand. Give me a minute. So the 18-inch box just contains the wiper blade. Don't forget to remove any protection that has come along before installing the wiper blades. Okay, just remove the caps. And again, the process is the same. You just need to go and push the button to slide the old wiper out, and then insert the new replacement. The attachment alphabet is same, K as well. So see to it that you have the right attachment on your replacement wiper. Just bring it close to the socket and slide it in. So once it's in, you can hear a click which confirms that it has gone in properly. Now when it comes to the rear windshield wiper, the process is a bit different. The size is again 14 inches. You have a cover that first needs to be removed before the arm can be made to stand. I'm trying to remove it with one hand, so it's a bit tricky, so I would advise using both of your hands. But overall it is a simple, easy step to just slightly push it and remove it. So, okay, yeah, so it comes out. Just keep the cover aside. So now you should be able to make the wiper arm stand and push the blade away from the arm, and it just pops out like that. Again, don't forget to keep a cloth, as the arm can break your window. So make a note of the attachment as well for the wiper which you're about to replace. Now with this kit, I got 4 types of attachments: A, B, D, and I think the last one is E. If you do a direct comparison, I could see that attachment A matches with what I'm about to replace. So I'm going to discard the other 3 attachments and only use A for the new blade. Just take the blade, and the attachment A should just slide in on the new replacement blade. So I'm just going to keep on it, push it a bit and slide it upwards. This way now you have the new blade with the correct attachment. Now just gently push it and push the blade towards your arm. This way the blade gets locked and you are all set. Don't forget to put your cover back, which you had removed as the step 1, and remove any protection that came along with the blade. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos.